or detention by which any person is deprived of his liberty, or by which the rightful custody of any person is withheld from the person entitled thereto. In another case, this court said that the ultimate purpose of the writ of habeas corpus is to relieve a person from unlawful restraint. It is devised as a speedy relief from unlawful restraint, my lord. And therefore, my lord, this writ of habeas corpus is unlimited under Article 25, whatever the circumstance or whatever the situation. My lord, as I conclude, the architects of our Constitution sought to address a historical concern. And the survivors of the Nyayo regime, my lord, endured a very brutal police force that held them incommunicado without trial. And even during that time, my lord, in the case of Karanja, who was detained without trial and later on murdered, was exhumed and the body was recovered for the families to see. So it means, my lord, that even during the Nyayo era was better than the era that we have, because at the moment we cannot even get a body that we want. So it is my prayer, my lord, that this court stamps its authority and help this nation secure justice. Thank you so much, my lord.
The last word is stamp its authority and
the court to stamp its authority and help Kenyans get justice, because, my lord, despite the 5th and the 6th respondents not being present in court now, we are patient to even wait for them in the afternoon, because yesterday, according to the presser that the DCI director issued, he said that he would be in court today. Thank you.
what do you want to say?
Your Lordship, I want to begin first with the authority that my good friend Balindiway has just.
We are not discussing the authority here.
Yes, Your Lordship, but this is very critical, Your Lordship, so that we get to appreciate.
Everything is critical. To me, Mr. Maro, there is nothing more critical than when it comes to human life.
I agree, Your Lordship.
So let's not debate. Let's just be here.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When we are going to discuss about habeas corpus, we better understand Article 125C.
Yes, Your Lordship. I appreciate that.
It cannot be more clearer than that. So let's not go there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Just address me what you wanted to say.
Yes, Your Lordship. In the same authority that Balindiway just read, Your Lordship, the judge, in that very authority, the first authority, the judge said that it has been established the general burden in habeas corpus application must be pursuant to Section 107 of the Evidence Act and remains with the petitioner.
We have not gone there.
Yes, Your Lordship. The court said this is necessary for this court to appreciate.
Which court?
the High Court, Your Lordship, that the petitioner must establish any competent and convincing evidence that the missing person on whose behalf the petition or the application was filed is under the custody of the respondent. That is what is missing, Your Lordship, here. It has not been established that indeed the second petitioner is in the custody of the respondent. Your Lordship, my colleague Mr. Mangwa said that the delivery of this affidavit was not at the scene of the crime. Your Lordship, my colleague has been very selective in reading the affidavit that I filed. If you read paragraph 1, I believe Mr. Mango understands this, that I am a police officer in the meaning of chapter 84 of the laws of Kenya, one of the investigating officer in this matter. He has confirmed that indeed he is the investigating officer in this matter. A lot has been said regarding annexure number 1, that is the inventory, Your Lordship. The only person, Your Lordship, with the competency to address the authenticity of that particular annexure are my clients, because they are the author of that particular annexure. But paragraph, Your Lordship, paragraph,
The only person?
my clients, Your Lordship, they are the ones who came up with that inventory. So they are the only person who can
Mr.
speak
Mara,
to
your
them.
respondents,
Yes.
your clients include this, the Cabinet Secretary, the Attorney General.
Yes,
So who do you have in mind?
the second respondent. At paragraph 16, Your Lordship, the affidavit that my colleagues have been reading was contested in part.
Yes?
It reads that we've noticed that the copy of the inventory annexed to the affidavit of Florence Uchuri has omitted the caretaker as having been a witness to the inventory. So we have not looked at that particular affidavit. The only annexure, Your Lordship, that we believe is the original and that was taken at the scene, the one that we attached. This is annexure number 1. There is no application that has been made before this court calling the author of that.
So that inventory attached
cross-examination.
to the petitioner's affidavit is contested.
Yes, it's contested. And my colleagues, Your Lordship, are not expert in ascertaining.
Neither are you.
Yes, Your Lordship. That is true. So we can.
These are your colleagues.
Yes.
You are their colleagues. So none of you is competent.
That is true, Your
Yeah,
Lordship.
that's better. Well
Yes.
put.
So we cannot say that this is fake and this is original.
Mm.
Yes.
Anything else?
My senior, Mr. Willis, has again told this court that the investigations are not ongoing and we stopped investigating the petition. Your Lordship, if you look at paragraph 20, the second petition is still under investigation. That is paragraph 20. And
Of your
21.
affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, that is all for the respondents. Thank you.
I'm seeking the court's permission to say just one sentence.
Just a minute. I'm trying to figure out, Senior
Yeah.
Counsel.
Yeah. It's just that both documents originate from them.
No,
That's
no.
what I wanted
He said
to point out.
they appear. I used the word appear because I didn't want to say they came from him.
They filed it in another court.
That has been said.
Yeah.
It's on record.
Okay, thank you.
Where is the deponent of your affidavit?
Because you can't really keep it.
Where is the officer who swore the affidavit?
Last I checked, the lordship, he was in court. Maybe I can give him time to speak for him.
When did you check with him last?
Before I got in court, I had a discussion with the officers.
He was here.
Yes.
Is he still here?
I'm not sure the lordship.
Sergeant Samuel Itegi. Samuel Itegi, you are here? Yes. So your colleague says someone promised that he would be here. Did you hear that? I didn't watch. I don't watch news, so I didn't watch anything that was said.
The lordship also do not watch news. By the time the DCI was making the purported testing,
But that was after we issued an order that they should be here.
Yeah.
yes, your lordship.
So he was responding to the court order.
I am not sure if he had been served with the order, your lordship.
Mr. Mara,
That's why he said he'll come.
if we go that way, we are going not in a, these things, you are in court and you directed that they be here. So I don't know, but I'm not saying they shouldn't be served. How do you want us to proceed in view of the issue that is before us?
Your lordship.
And in view of the fact that my order was very clear.
Your lordship, I wish first your lordship to say that this is a very difficult matter. I understand somebody is missing, and it is in the interest of both myself and my client, and even the petitioners, that the second petitioner is found.
Yes.
I hope.
And I wanted the second petition,
Yes, your lordship.
live or dead.
Yes, your lordship.
That's all I want.
Yes,
Yeah.
but it is my.
They wanted with the body, I said I want him.
But it is my prayer, your lordship, that he be found. Before
So
the
we
life.
want him.
Yes. So, your lordship, I.
When can we have him? Because someone is keeping him.
Lordship, that is a very difficult question posed to me. I cannot confirm on the date and time. I will only be asking for a bit of time so that I can engage my client, your lordship. I cannot speak on their behalf that with certainty within this period, the second petition will come from the lordship. You can give us a bit of time.
How much time? I wanted that person, whether he's dead or
Your
alive.
lordship, as indicated from our affidavit, clearly you've seen the investigations are ongoing.
They have said their story.
Yes,
You have said your story.
yes,
I'm looking at the two stories.
yes.
Yes.
Your lordship, in terms of time, your lordship, we leave the discretion of the court. We cannot with certainty say that 3 or 7 days.
We are not interested in any other thing
Yes,
other than the human being.
I am also interested, your lordship. Yes, yes.
So when can we get this human being?
And your lordship, that item, it will be very difficult for me to give.
You know, Mr. Mara, tell your clients,
Yes.
and these people, I'm also speaking to these people.
Yes,
There is no way a Kenyan will get out of his abode and vanish from this world without trace. It's not humanly possible.
that's correct, your lordship.
So let's stop doing drama and stick to what the Constitution speaks to.
Yes,
We may not like it. We gave it to ourselves. Those are the words. And the future generation. So when can we have this person? He may be hiding, I don't know.
there's also
Yes,
that possibility.
because your clients are pursuing him,
Yes, your lordship.
and he has to live like an animal. So, when can I have this person in court?
Your lordship, could I be given 7 days?
Eh,
And Your Lordship, he can't be found even before the lapse of 7 days.
He has been missing since
I believe
21st. So today is 10 days. Yeah?
Your Lordship,
All we want
yes.
is this Kenyan.
Your Lordship, the amount
Where
of
is
money-
he? Nothing more. We are not interested in trouble. We're not interested in anything. There is a human being missing. So where is he? Is he alive or dead? Just that. The responsibility now is on me. They are asked looking upon this court to get this person alive or dead. And we all have a responsibility.
And Your Lordship have confirmed, and I wish to direct that-
You know, I've read the pleadings, Mr.
Yes.
Mao. Let's not go there. I've read the pleadings. Yes. We take your story with the forcefulness it deserves. We take their story. We balance the two.
Correct, Your Lordship.
I didn't watch the video these people wanted me to watch, so I don't know what was said in that press conference. But let me make my few remarks here.